If you know you have security personnel wherever you are, please come and give a hand.
Let's get the house in order for a few minutes.
Security personnel, wherever you are, please come and help us on stage. It's getting out of hand. Security, please, can you come and help us out here?
We are full this side, yeah? We are full this side. Security, no more people crossing over the ramp, yeah? We are full this side.
Crossing. And I'm requesting one so that these people can go behind.
No more people crossing over the ramp.
Security, don't allow anyone to cross. Security, tamukiriza abantu kusala kuddeno. Twagala bazirise mukka. Omulamu asigaleyo. Tubegayiridde twagala kyegende mu maaso. Can I have help from Uganda Police, please? Uganda Police? Bassebo ne banyabo atazirise tosala kuddeno. Tubegayiridde. Eno tujjayo bazirise.
Okay, security, now let's clear the stage, yeah? Let's clear the stage. Baba usabona tsoka clearing the stage ifenna. Ataina kubako stage ya veko. Let's clear the stage, let's clear the stage. Obatoli MC vaku stage.
Just about to clearing the stage at the moment. Security, don't allow anyone to cross now. Our security just took to the stage katono.
Security faba anji kati, tsoka clearing fenna tu veko.
Soka to the stage, my dear.
Hello? I'm the last person to be on the stage. All of you, please leave the stage. Hello? Leave the stage. Please, get away from here. All of you. Hello? Get away from here. All of you leave the stage apart from my informed people. No one should be on the stage. Wait. Come on. Banange kati tugenda kutandika buto tusaba buli muntu yeefuge n'abagambiza in charge of security here twagala ffenna tubeerenga muganda waffe tetumukula bipali bya leero muwulidde.
Mwebale nnyo okuuma emirembe. Okay. Thank you so much for keeping peace. The show is back on track. The show is back on track. We apologize for anything. But thank you so much for the love you have for the Queen. Chechiriao.
Chechigena maso.
Badeye mabega.
Badeye mabega. Moyongele yoke mabega.
Okay, Viana. Last year, Queen Sheba took it upon herself okunonya talent ento. She opened up a record label, Kama Music. Wanji, you know. Okay, I was telling you last year, Sheba took it upon herself to look for talent.